Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the 5mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully open the right display panel hinge. Remove the right display panel hinge support bracket from the alignment pin on the top cover and remove. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Important: make careful note of the routing of the power connector cable for later replacement. Remove the power connector cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Lift the power connector out of the cradle on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the power connector into the cradle on the top cover. Connect the power connector cable into its connector on the system board. Route the power connector cable through the routing channel on the top cover. Place the right display panel hinge support bracket onto the alignment pin on the top cover. Close the right display panel hinge. Replace the 5mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the top cover. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.